Okay, so get this right. What if I told you there's like a hidden ocean, but it's under our feet?
Yeah, and not just any ocean.
Right.
One that makes the Pacific look like, like a puddle.
Oh, wow. Okay.
It's true.
Yeah.
This isn't some, Jules Verne fantasy
No. Yeah.
deep within the Earth's mantle.
Okay.
There's evidence of this vast reservoir of water,
Hmm.
but it's locked inside rock.
Oh, wow.
So today's deep dive,
Okay.
we're going to explore what that means
Right.
using excerpts from
Yes.
the hidden ocean beneath our feet.
Okay, so I always thought, the water cycle was like pretty straightforward.
Right.
Rain falls, fills up the rivers, flows to the ocean, evaporates, and then, rinse and repeat.
Right.
But this throws like a whole new wrench in the system.
Exactly. This discovery
Yeah.
back in 2014, it really shook up the geoscience world.
Wow.
Up until then, the
Yeah.
mantle, the layer beneath the Earth's crust,
Right.
was thought to be, mostly dry.
Oh, okay.
But two key clues changed everything.
Okay, so the first one was how earthquake vibrations, like the seismic waves, they
Right.
were behaving as they traveled through the mantle.
Imagine,
Okay.
imagine you're tapping a melon,
Yeah.
to see if it's ripe.
Okay, yeah.
A dense melon will sound different than one that's full of water.
Oh, interesting.
So scientists noticed a similar thing.
Okay.
In certain areas, the waves slowed down,
Mm.
suggesting they were passing through material that was less dense
Okay.
and more water-rich.
Okay, so that's a hint.
Right.
But it doesn't like scream ocean
Right. So
right.
enter Exhibit B,
Okay.
the ringwoodite diamond.
Okay. What is that?
So this tiny diamond,
Yeah.
it was found in Brazil.
Uh-huh.
It formed deep within the earth
Okay.
and contained a sample of the mineral ringwoodite.
Hmm.
And what's special about ringwoodite
Yeah.
is that it forms under intense pressure
Okay.
and, crucially,
Yeah.
can trap water molecules
Hmm.
within its structure.
Oh, okay. I see.
So it's not liquid water
Right.
like we're used to.
Right.
It's more like water absorbed
Yeah.
into the very rock itself.
Oh, that's interesting.
Precisely.
Okay.
And the analysis of this ringwoodite,
Yeah.
it had water locked inside,
Oh, wow.
providing tangible proof
Right.
that water exists
Yeah.
deep within the mantle.
Wow. Okay. And so we're not talking about like a minor leak here, right?
No.
This is like
No.
like ocean level stuff, even though it's like spread out.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
The sheer volume is it's staggering.
Wow.
We're talking potentially more water than in
Yeah.
all of Earth's surface oceans combined.
Oh my God.
It really changes how we have to understand the
Yeah.
planet's composition.
Okay, so how does an ocean end up like hundreds of miles beneath the surface?
Right.
Is it just like sitting there?
Good question.
Yeah.
It all ties into the movement of Earth's tectonic plates,
Oh.
those massive slabs of crust
Yeah.
that make up the planet's surface.
Okay.
They're constantly shifting and colliding.
Yeah, I've heard of those.
And when they do,
Mm-hmm.
one can get forced under the other.
Mm-hmm.
It's a process called subduction.
So like picture this, right? You've got these enormous plates.
Yeah.
They're like puzzle pieces,
Uh-huh.
but they're not like neatly fitting together. They're grinding against each other.
Yeah.
And when one gets pushed down into the mantle,
Right.
it takes surface water with it.
Exactly.
Wow.
Like a giant conveyor belt
Oh my gosh.
carrying ocean water
Okay.
down into the Earth's interior.
That's wow.
And some of that water,
Mhm.
under immense pressure and heat,
Yeah.
gets incorporated into minerals
Okay.
like ringwoodite.
Right, right.
And it's a continuous process
Wow.
with water potentially being released back
Oh, okay.
to the surface through volcanic activity.
So, okay, mind officially blown.
Yeah.
So, like, the next time I see a volcano,
Uh-huh.
I should picture it as maybe a tiny geyser
Yeah.
from this massive underground ocean.
It's a powerful image, isn't it?
It's wild.
This hidden water cycle operating over geological timescales
Right.
completely reshapes our understanding of how
Yeah.
our system works.
That's incredible.
And it raises a fascinating question
Okay, what is it?
about where Earth's surface water, the oceans we know,
Yeah.
came from in the first place.
Yeah, because I've always heard it was from, like comets and asteroids smashing into Earth early in its history.
Exactly.
And like delivering water from space.
Right.
But now.
Now we have to consider another possibility.
Oh, okay.
What if Earth
Yeah.
wasn't reliant on these extraterrestrial deliveries?
Okay.
What if the planet formed
Hmm.
with its own internal water supply
Wow.
locked away in the mantle.
Okay.
And what if, over billions of years,
Yeah.
this hidden ocean has been slowly releasing water
Oh, wow.
through volcanic activity,
Right.
gradually filling the basins that became our oceans?
So instead of like a sudden deluge from space, it's like Earth has been sweating out
Right.
its own oceans over eons.
Exactly.
That's amazing. It completely changes the narrative.
It does.
But if that's true, like, why have other planets, like, say, Mars,
Right.
seemingly lost most of their water?
Right.
Wouldn't they have had similar internal reservoirs?
It's possible they did,
Okay.
but their geological histories differed
Mm.
greatly from Earth's.
Right.
Perhaps their internal reservoirs weren't as large
Right.
or stable,
Okay.
or they lacked the right conditions
Mm-hmm.
to maintain liquid water
Okay.
on their surfaces
Right.
for extended periods.
So this massive hidden ocean could be, like, a key to
Yeah.
Earth's long-term stability and its ability to, like, support life.
Exactly.
Wow.
Makes you appreciate just how interconnected everything is,
Right.
even down to the deepest depths
Yeah.
of our planet.
This is incredible.
It is.
And we've only just begun to, like, scratch the surface
Yeah.
of what this means for our understanding of Earth and potentially other planets.
There's so much more to explore.
Wow.
This discovery has opened up a whole new realm
Yeah.
of possibilities, forcing us to rethink assumptions
Right.
and ask questions we never thought to ask before.
That's really cool.
It is.
So this hidden ocean, like, it really throws a wrench into those old theories about where Earth's water came from, right?
It definitely challenges that long-held assumption.
Like, we always learned about,
Right.
comets and asteroids bringing water to early Earth.
Yeah, for decades, scientists envisioned
Right.
this cosmic bombardment
Yeah.
delivering that, essential ingredient for life.
Like a celestial water balloon fight.
Precisely.
Okay.
But now we have this compelling evidence for
Yeah.
an internal water source,
Hmm.
a reservoir
Okay.
that could have been slowly releasing water throughout Earth's history.
So instead of like a dramatic cosmic delivery, it's more like Earth has its own internal plumbing system.
That's a great way to visualize it.
Okay.
And this raises fascinating questions
Yeah.
about the evolution of other planets.
Okay.
Did they also possess
Yeah.
these internal reservoirs early in their formation?
Well, Mars is, a dusty desert now.
Right.
And Venus is a scorching hothouse.
Yeah.
So, like, what happened to their water if they had it?
That's where planetary evolution
Okay.
comes into play.
Okay.
Earth's size, composition,
Yeah.
and distance from the sun
Okay.
have all played a role
Right.
in its ability to retain water.
Like Goldilocks conditions.
Exactly.
Not
Yeah.
just for life itself.
Exactly. Mars being smaller
Right.
and with a weaker gravitational pull might have struggled to hold on to its
Right.
atmosphere and water
Water.
over time.
And Venus, closer to the sun,
Yes.
experienced a runaway greenhouse effect,
Uh-huh.
turning its surface into an inferno.
Right.
So Earth's hidden ocean could be a major factor in its, long-term stability and
Yeah.
habitability.
It's a compelling hypothesis.
Like this huge reservoir
Yeah.
regulating the amount of surface water, acting like, a global buffer system.
Right. This vast reservoir could help moderate the water cycle
Right.
over, immense timescales,
Yeah.
contributing to a more stable climate.
And a stable climate is, crucial for life as we know it, right?
Absolutely. And that brings us to another captivating question.
Yeah, what's that?
If Earth can harbor life with this hidden ocean,
Right.
what about other worlds?
Okay.
Could they, too, have
Right.
similar subterranean reservoirs
Yeah.
potentially teeming with life?
That's a wild thought,
It is a tantalizing possibility,
right?
and one that, scientists are actively investigating.
So, like, there could be
Yeah.
entire ecosystems,
Mhm.
maybe even, intelligent life
Right.
thriving in complete darkness
Yeah.
beneath the surface of, like, some distant moon or planet.
In our own solar system,
Right.
moons like Europa
Oh, okay.
and Enceladus
Okay.
are thought to have vast oceans beneath their icy surfaces.
So Europa's orbiting Jupiter,
That's right.
and Enceladus is around Saturn.
That's right.
Okay.
And these oceans are thought to be liquid water,
Wow.
potentially warmed by
Yeah.
tidal forces from their giant parent planets.
So imagine like alien creatures swimming in these,
Right.
dark hidden oceans,
Yeah.
totally cut off from, the sunlight and the surface world we're used to.
It completely shifts our perspective
Right.
on where life might exist.
Yeah.
We tend to focus on the surface,
Right.
seeking familiar signs,
Right.
like, atmospheres and liquid water.
Right. Right.
But what if the most exciting discoveries lie hidden beneath the surface?
It's a reminder that we've only just begun
Yeah.
to explore the true diversity of worlds out there, both in our solar system and beyond.
And it highlights the importance of looking beyond the obvious,
Right.
of considering the unexpected.
Oh, hey.
The discovery of this hidden ocean has forced us to expand
Yeah.
our definition of what a habitable world might look like.
Speaking of looking beyond the obvious,
Yeah.
the potential impact of this hidden ocean on, the search for extraterrestrial life,
Yeah.
I mean, that's got to be huge.
It's a game changer.
Right.
The presence of this vast internal reservoir on Earth
Yeah.
suggests that water might be more common in planetary interiors
Right.
than we previously thought.
So even planets or moons that,
Right.
appear barren on the surface
Mm-hmm.
could be harboring hidden oceans,
Yeah.
potentially teeming with life.
It's the thrilling possibility.
Wow.
The search for life beyond Earth
Right.
has been focused on finding surface water,
Yeah.
but now
Yeah.
we have to consider
Yeah.
these hidden reservoirs as well.
This is blowing my mind.
Yeah.
It's like we've been looking for life in all the wrong places.
Yeah, or at least we haven't been looking
Right.
in enough places.
That's so cool.
It's a testament to the power of scientific discovery. Every new finding
Right.
opens up
Yeah.
new avenues of inquiry,
Uh-huh.
challenging our assumptions
Right.
and expanding our understanding
Yeah.
of the universe.
So this hidden ocean, it's not just
Right.
a scientific curiosity, is it? It's
Right.
like a fundamental shift
Yeah.
in how we view our planet and its place in the cosmos. And it makes you wonder, what other secrets might lie hidden
Yeah.
beneath the surface,
Right.
both here on Earth and on other worlds.
Absolutely. It's a reminder that we've only just scratched the surface
Yes.
of what's out there,
Right.
and the most profound discoveries may still lie ahead.
So we've been talking about this hidden ocean, right? Beneath our feet,
Right.
this massive reservoir of water, but it's a lot deep inside the Earth.
Yeah.
It's, I don't know, it's mind-boggling to think about
Yeah.
just the sheer volume of water down there.
It truly dwarfs anything we see on the surface.
Yeah.
And its existence completely, reshapes our understanding
All right.
of Earth's water cycle, the
Uh-huh.
origin of our oceans,
Right.
and even the potential for life on other planets.
But, okay, here's a question that's been bugging me.
Okay.
What if we could actually tap into this hidden ocean?
Right.
Could it be a solution to future water scarcity?
It's an intriguing idea,
Yeah.
especially considering the growing concerns about water resources,
Yeah.
on the surface.
Right, but we're not talking about
Yeah.
a giant underground lake.
No.
We can just, dip a bucket into this.
Why?
It's chemically bound
Right.
within the structure of rock,
Yeah,
hundreds of miles beneath the surface.
exactly. Extracting it would require
Right.
overcoming immense
Yeah.
technical hurdles.
Yeah, that makes sense.
We need to develop technologies capable of,
Right.
drilling to those depths,
Yeah.
withstanding extreme pressure
Yeah.
and temperatures.
And even if we could, get down there,
Right.
what about, the environmental impact? I mean,
Yes.
wouldn't messing with,
Yeah.
such a massive reservoir?
It's a valid concern.
Yeah.
Disrupting this hidden ocean
Right.
could have cascading effects
Right.
on Earth's delicate balance.
Yeah.
We need to proceed
Yeah.
with extreme caution,
Right.
recognizing that, we don't fully understand
Yeah.
the complex interplay between
Oh.
this deep reservoir
Yeah.
and the rest of, the Earth system.
So maybe it's best to leave this hidden ocean alone,
Yeah,
at least for now.
at least for now.
But that doesn't mean, we can't learn from its existence.
Absolutely.
It's like a
Yeah.
giant natural laboratory, right?
Right, yeah.
Prompting us to, ask questions we never considered before.
How did this water get there in the first place?
Yeah.
How does it interact with the mantle
Right.
and influence geological processes?
That's so interesting.
And how common are these hidden oceans on other planets?
Right.
These are all questions that are, driving cutting-edge research.
This is what I love about science. Every discovery opens up like a Pandora's box of, new questions and possibilities.
And sometimes the most profound insights come from the things we can't see or touch directly.
This hidden ocean, it's a powerful reminder that our planet still holds mysteries,
It does.
even in its deepest depths.
Absolutely.
It's a testament to like the incredible power of nature.
Yeah.
And the the boundless potential for exploration and discovery. So while we may not be diving into this hidden ocean anytime soon,
Right.
its presence like enriches
Guys.
our understanding of Earth and sparks our imagination about the vast unknowns that still lie ahead.
It does.
This deep dive has been incredible.
It has.
It's made me appreciate the complexity of Earth in a whole new way.
It's been a pleasure exploring these fascinating insights with you.
Absolutely. And thanks for, joining us on this journey into the hidden depths of our planet.
It is a reminder that even in the 21st century, Earth can still surprise us.
Absolutely. Well said.
Yeah.
Until next time, keep exploring.